Welcome back guys to another video at Trader's Journey. Today we are covering off a particular strategy which I'm very familiar with, and one that I was recently taught by a mentor, and I think this strategy is key for most people. And I think if you were to stick to this particular strategy, there is no doubt, and I have no doubt, that everyone will achieve their financial goals in terms of trading. Now, as you can see here guys, I'm going to get straight into the video. We can see I've created a sort of spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet was requested by one of my subscribers, and they wanted to see the actual trading diary which I have, and I just wanted to hopefully present that for you at the beginning of this video, which you can see here all my recent trades that I've placed. And obviously there are some trades which are missing here which I am yet to fill in, but just to give you guys an understanding of how I diarize my trades and how I sort of take notes of every trading day, just to make sure I am keeping up to speed with my risk strategy and my general trading strategy. So as you can see here guys, this account was started with $1,000, and I want to be talking you through my specific strategy that has worked for me to grow consistent amount of accounts. So in this particular spreadsheet, I have created a trading plan. Now this trading plan, to take you guys to maybe $100,000, is the sort of trading plan which would need to be stuck to in order to achieve that. Now the whole emphasis which I need to drive in this particular strategy is risk management. Now, in order to achieve this goal of 100,000, starting with $1,000, the only way in achieving that is to stick to within the parameters of your risk management strategy. What I mean by that is, as you can see here in this table. So in order to go from $1,000 to 100,000, the main things you need to take advantage of are compound interest and risk management. So if you were to start with $1,000, the risk strategy here would be to only risk 10% of your account. Now, in general terms, for most experienced traders, that is what they would stick to, a 10% risk on each trade. So we're not saying you're going to lose that $100 potentially, but we're only putting up for the risk is 10% of the account value. So any risk per trade for $1,000 account would need to be limited to $100 per trade. What we are expecting to do on a monthly basis here to achieve $100,000 would be to only have placed a limited amount of 20 trades per month. We're setting that as the limit, of a very conservative and very easily done 20 trades per month. What we're also saying is you're only going to reach a target of 20% profit for each trade. So this does look quite small when you're looking at it from a $1,000 account. From $1,000, it looks very small. The profits are limited, and what you're trying to do here is manage your risk on each trade and take any profit, which once you've hit that 20% profit target, you take the profit. You're not waiting to hit to 30%, 40%, which are easily achievable in these markets, but we want to try and reduce any potential risk of making those profitable trades into a loss. So just based on this strategy, for instance, you would be able to grow your $1,000 account into $1,400. Now, we're not talking huge profits. People have seen a lot higher profits, but we are being super conservative with this approach to ensure that you reach your target of $100,000. If you were to stick to this strategy, as you can see, due to compound interest, which is another key element of this strategy, you're able to grow the account at an exponential speed, and what you will see is in 14 months, as short as 14 months, you could grow a $1,000 account to $100,000. Now, I haven't mentioned all the financials here, but what it would be is the same strategy as you did in month one. Month one, you had a risk per trade of 10% of the account, so you would continue to do that into month 2, month 3, and so on. And what that will allow you to do is scale your trading and scale up to a larger amount of money being risked into each trade, and that will allow you to reach your 100k target. But what this allows you to do by sticking to this strategy is because you've been so strict with your profit target and your risk per trade, if you stuck to that same strategy throughout the months to come, you will by no doubt reach the 100,000 target within 14 months. I've seen plenty of people do it within groups that I have involved with, and people who are strict with their risk management have easily achieved this, if not more. And as I said before, the 20% profit target is very conservative. As most of you guys know, in options trading, profit targets can be 40-50% easily. So depending on your risk appetite and whether you want to go down that route, you can certainly increase these percentages of your risk per trade and your profit per trade, and you can easily reach that target a lot quicker if you have a larger risk appetite. So I did want to mention that this is my 1,000 to 100,000 strategy, and I've seen it work time and time again, and I'd like to hear your feedback on this particular strategy. Even though this isn't so much of a options trading strategy, it's more of a trading plan, I'm now going to talk to you guys about the specific stocks which I would use in order to achieve this goal. Now, moving on, so I've made a short list here of the best stocks to trade, especially from those trying to grow from $1,000, and these specific stocks stick out to me the most. Now, the reason why I've compiled this list is based on these stocks. They have a stock value which allows you to trade within your risk strategy of 10% of your account if you have a $1,000 account, and it allows you to scale very quickly, and the volatility in these stocks allow you to earn that 20% profit on each trade very quickly, as they tend to move and fluctuate on a daily basis, which will be enough for you to hit your profit targets. So if you guys were to create your own stock list or own trading list, you would need to understand that volatility and how much a stock moves is key in you earning your profit and you entering and exiting trades that match your profit targets. So I think it's key to understand that if stocks are slow moving and tend to move sideways a lot, you won't reach your profit target as fast as a day. So instead of day trading, you may be looking to scalping strategies, which isn't really what I'd like to stick to for this specific 1,000 to 100,000 strategy. Most of these trades will be made through day trades and won't be involving you holding contracts for more than one day. So if you guys want to see this list of stocks, I'll try and leave it in the description box below so you guys can have a look at these specific ticker names. A lot of these you should be familiar with, such as Facebook, EA Sports, AMD, Bank of America. So these are very popular names, brands in America, but I would stick to these if you're looking to use this specific strategy. So I mean, this kind of sums up the video. I wanted to make it short and sweet, guys, so you guys can take away and implement this strategy as fast as possible. I mean, to me, if you're strict with this strategy, there's no doubt you will reach the 100,000 target. Now, to add to this strategy, what you would also need is correct entry and exit out of trades. So I will be following this video up with some more videos on my exact strategy of entering and exiting a trade. So if you are new to this channel or video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the community as we help each other create our trading path to success. And if anyone's new and would like to leave me some feedback, leave it in the comment section below. And if anyone's got any questions, also leave that in the comment section and I will get back to each and every one of you. And I just want to thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video. Take care. Goodbye.